So this ladder, I've put new nuts on the ladder. I double nutted it all.
Yeah.
I tightened it and I put double nuts.
Okay.
Alright, so Steve's legs have not dissolved.
No, and I'm Hey, you want to get together in front of the CN Tower?
Let's do a photo.
Do a double selfie in front of the CN Tower?
Before I freeze, hurry!
Together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Bottom run is slippery, so slide your leg to one side.
Okay. I got it. Wow. Whew. That really resets the nervous.
Yeah. Yes.
The refractor.
Yes. Here we are, live at HTO Beach.